Safety isn't just one thing. Safety is derived from many different things working together. And one of those is everyone understanding what they're supposed to be doing and how to do it. And it's too much to remember. So you have to have manuals, and they have to be accessible, they have to be easy to read, and they have to be living documents that are continuously updated. If you're going to be a success in the aviation business, if you're going to be safe, you have to constantly be improving. And to maintain that continuous improvement, you have to have a system that's easy to use, easy to update your manuals, easy to distribute to your team, and they have to be able to understand what's changed. No one wants to read through a 200-page document to try and figure out which paragraphs were updated, and Web Manuals delivers all those features. Another feature that I really like, and I think this may be the secret sauce of Web Manuals for me, is the compliance library. The compliance library in Web Manuals allows you to load a standard, whether that standard be a regulation such as all Part 135 regulations or all Part 91 regulations. Web Manuals did something really intelligent. They created this compliance library that links those sections to that standard, and anytime I change that section of my manual or the standard is changed, I'm going to get a warning that you need to look at this and make sure you're still in compliance with the given standard. That allows me as an aviation manager at ACI Jet to maintain continuous compliance. Most of us don't become pilots and mechanics because we want to publish manuals, right? So we need a product that minimizes our time spent working on that so we can focus on things like safety, efficiency, and getting our passengers from A to B. Before we had Web Manuals, it usually took a team of people working in Microsoft Word to update our manual, correcting headers, correcting page numbers, correcting the table of contents, the list of effective pages. There was just a lot of time spent on the administrative tasks of publishing a manual. Almost overnight, when we deployed Web Manuals, we were able to reduce that to a fraction of the original time. Just like our customers who use their aircraft as time machines, basically saving them time throughout their days, weeks, months, years, Web Manuals saves us time the same way in managing and maintaining our documents. At the end of the day, I would say using Web Manuals was an obvious and easy decision for us. There's simply no other system out there that I'm aware of that has the functionality and ease of use for an aviation company.